Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. Today we will be starting chapter 30, that is synonyms. What do you understand by synonyms? Synonyms are the words that have the same meaning. Okay, words which have same meanings. They are called synonyms. For example, you see these pairs of words over here, calm, peaceful. So both these words means the same. They both are similar words. Okay. Bright, sunny. Again these two are same words. Okay. Jump, leap. Jump means also to jump and leap is also jumping. End is also end and finish. Both the words mean the same. Begin, start. Loud, noisy. Fast, quick. Show, reveal. All these words, pairs of words are having the same meanings. Okay. You will notice that the words in each pair shown above have almost the same meanings. And such words are called synonyms. So, synonyms are words that have almost the same meanings. Okay, so each word over here you see in the pair have almost the same meaning. So, they are called synonyms. Synonym means similar words. Here is a list of synonyms to learn. So, you see you are supposed to learn these synonyms given over here, the list that is made. You have to learn these. Okay. Above, over. Alike, same. Feeble, weak. Rich, wealthy. Below, under. Buy, purchase. Center, middle. Scare, frighten. Choose, select. Cold, icy. So you can see all these words, the pair of words have the similar meaning, almost the same meanings. So there are more two charts over here. Fair, just. Old, ancient. Respect, honor. Happy, glad. Hear, listen. Eat, munch. Draw, sketch. Lovely, beautiful. Near, close. Part, piece. Right, correct. Sad, unhappy. See, look. Tough, hard. Smell, odor. Stone, rock. Tasty, delicious. Tidy, neat. Tiny, minute. Toss, throw. So you see these are some list of words of synonyms, the pair of synonyms that you are supposed to learn. Okay, so learn these pairs. Okay, you are supposed to learn these pairs. Okay, so now we will move quickly towards the exercise. As the chapter is very small, we are going to move towards the exercise. Okay, so the first part of the exercise is you have to tick the right synonym for each word and one has been done. So from the words given, you have to choose the right synonym. Okay, so first one, scare, frighten, as we read. Now cold, icy. Eat, munch. Sketch, draw. Feeble, weak. Okay, tough, hard. Okay, you see, so we have done the first part of the exercise. Now the second one. The words given in the box are synonyms of words given in the bracket. So in the box you see are the synonyms of the words given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So you have to choose the correct word for these synonyms in the bracket. So you have to choose the correct synonyms for the words given in the bracket. So you see, Manish is a very courageous boy. So brave and courageous have the same meaning. Anita keeps her room very neat. So tidy also means neat. Alvira looks pretty in the red dress. So beautiful and pretty both are same. There is a nut in the middle of the candy. So center, middle. both have the same meaning. The baby likes the sound of the rattle. So loves and likes, both are same. You see in the box it is given. I need to collect wood for the fire. So gather and collect have almost the same meaning. Now here we have the second part we have completed. Now the third we have to match from column A to column B. Okay. So words in column A with synonyms in column B. So words are given here. You have to match with the synonyms in column B. So choose. Choose means select. D. Divide means split. Okay. So choose was select. Yes or no? Then divide is split. Then buy is purchase. That is option A. Then mistake. Mistake is B. That is error. Okay. Respect is C. That is honor. Okay. Near is close. So you see, we have matched the following and I have written the words beside the words, and the synonyms both I have written side by side so that it is easy for you to understand. So I would request you to learn the exercise for your post midterm exam. Okay, go through the chapter. Also learn the chart that is given over here. Okay, just go through the exercise so that you can learn it and understand it, what synonyms are. Okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.